today's video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that you can use to make money online in 2023 using AI tools. If you check out this website, you can see, for example, this one right here. This product is selling for $1.82 and it has over 160 reviews, which means over 160 people have purchased this simple product. And pretty much if you're going to do math on that real quick, that means 160 times 1.82. This person has made almost $300 just for creating and listing this sticker for sale. And this is like one of the simplest designs that I was able to find on here. If you're going to check out this one right here, a 100-pack variety selling for $10.97, which has almost 19,000 ratings. So pretty much if you're going to crack math on this one, it's 1079 times 18,811, which means this person has made over $200,000 just for creating and listing this sticker variety pack for sale. And in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how you can set up this exact same method using just a couple of AI tools that you can use to create a bunch of stickers very easily just in a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to show you how to actually set up a store where you can sell and promote these stickers yourself. So just quickly smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also guys, comment down below if you prefer traditional affiliate marketing methods with promoting affiliate links or CPA links, or do you prefer methods just like this where we are going to create something that can be actually sold and it's going to be physical product. And also while you're there, you may want to check out my one-on-one coaching affiliate program where I'm going to teach you the exact same method that I'm using to make over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere. So if you want to see that, just go to the first link in the video description. And now just let's start with the method. Okay guys, there's literally hundreds of ways you can go about doing this method. What I highly recommend is that you go to Google and you look for this website that's called ChatGPT. First of all, if you don't want to be doing any thinking yourself, you can use ChatGPT to create a bunch of ideas for you. So just go to ChatGPT and into the writing prompt, you want to write something like, hey, please give me 5 ideas for stickers. Just hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing, and it's going to give you these ideas that you can use to start creating your stickers on the another AI platform that I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds. So if you don't have any ideas what you want your stickers to be about, you can just ask ChatGPT what's going to be the best option right now, what's going to be trending right now, and you can pretty much pick any of these or even combine them. So for example, let's say we are going with funny animals just for the sake of this video, so I can show you the entire process, how it's going to work and how you can do this yourself. So pretty much once ChatGPT is going to generate these ideas, you want to select one that you want to go with and then just go to this website right here that's called Kittle.com. Just go to Kittle.com and sign up for your free account. Just use your Gmail account or any other email that you may want to use. And pretty much one of the reasons why I highly recommend going for Kittle over another AI generators like Midjourney or DALL-E or anything like that, because Kittle has a bunch of built-in features that are specifically designed for this type of print-on-demand creating. So once you get to your Kittle account, what you want to do is click on new project and you want to start creating from scratch. Pretty much all you need to do here is just select a resolution or the size of the canvas that you're going to be using, and also go ahead and change this DPI into something like 300 because this is going to get printed and you want the highest resolution possible for this. So just select the DPI that you want to go with and click on create, and you get to this simple platform that you can use to create stickers from scratch. Now to actually generate a couple of cool sticker designs using AI, what you want to do is go to this star icon and click on Kittle AI. And one of the reasons why this AI art generator is so powerful is because you can choose from all of these styles that you want your stickers to have. For example, if you want to choose some of these image styles, it's going to generate, so you can go from something simplistic like this, for example, or you can try some impressionism art or this simple painting style that you can use to create painting like images. Now if you don't want to be using any of these, you can also select clip art styles, which is going to give you better options if you're going to create some stickers, or you can just use these clip art styles that are way better for creating stickers. For example, if we are going to be creating high quality stickers, we want to go with something like a 3D or pencil drawing, so that way these stickers will have some nice form. If you want, you can also select these vector styles if you want your stickers to be black and white, which is not the worst idea because some stickers are looking pretty cool if generated in this black and white style. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to pick this 3D icon style. So once you pick out a style that you want to go with, pretty much all you need to do is just write the description into this prompt that you can use to generate anything that you can think of. This is pretty similar to Midjourney or any AI generator bot, but this one is way much easier. For example, if I'm going to choose something like Fox in a business suit sticker, then just hit on generate image. It's going to take a couple of seconds to create, and just like that, in a matter of seconds, this cute little fox in a business suit is going to get generated. and pretty much this is looking like it could make a very cool sticker. And what you can actually do is create a entire set of these stickers. So for example, I have started with a fox in a business suit, but I'm going to generate a couple of more. So the next one I will be generating is, for example, something like fox in a tracksuit or fox in a suit, and create an entire series of fox theme stickers. Now once you're happy with the image that gets generated, what you want to actually do to make this into a printable sticker, first of all, right here in this right side toolbar, you can adjust the colors of the image a little bit. For example, let's play with the saturation, make it a little bit more saturated, adjust the contrast, something like this. Then I'll also play with the brightness a little bit, so it's going to look more realistic. And then one of the best features of Caddwell.com is that you can remove the background right here in this editor. All you need to do is just click on this AI background remover, click on it, and it's going to remove the background of this sticker. So once it's going to get download it, it will be just this figure without any background whatsoever. So once you're happy with these adjustments, what you want to do is actually download this sticker to your computer, and you can do that by clicking on download right here, and then also make sure to download it as a PNG, because we are going to be doing one more thing to this sticker before we actually put it to print, and for that PNG works the best. So pretty much save it as PNG, and once you do that, you want to go to Canva.com, go to this section, click on upload, and you want to upload the sticker you have gotten from Caddwell. And once you open it in Canva, what you want to actually do is create this white border that's usually around all the stickers. Now to do that, we need to actually have something as a background that we can use to judge how this is going to look like a sticker. So for that, I'm just going to go to Pexels and look for a photo of laptop, hit search, and I'm just going to download something to do with laptop. So if I want to see how my sticker is going to look like, for example, on a laptop, I'm just going to download an image of this one right here, just save it to my computer, go back to Canva, upload it right there, and I'm just going to stretch it so it's going to fit this entire canvas with the fox on it, something like this. Scale it all the way up, then just right click on it, go to layers, and send it backwards, so it's going to be positioned behind the sticker that we have created. Now all we need to do is just resize this sticker and position it somewhere on the laptop, then just rotate it a little bit, something like this, and it's going to look something like this, but it's missing the white border that's around all the stickers usually. And what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in their shadow and hit enter. Now it's going to give you these options to add different shadows to this image, and I'm just going to select glow, then just click on these adjustments, and now all you need to do is just customize it however you want it to look like. For example, you can go with this gray shadow around the sticker, but what I like to do is just simply make this transparency to 100, blur to 0, then just select white color as a border, and all you need to do now is just adjust the size of it. For example, if you want your sticker to look something like this, just drag the size to 25 or 27, something like that, and it's going to create this nice white border around your sticker. And now this is something that you can use as a mockup to promote these stickers. So pretty much all you need to do now is just click on share button and download this image to your computer. Just press the download button, and now comes the part where I'm going to show you how to actually sell these stickers and make some money with it. Now pretty much all you need to do is just go to printify.com, and you need to grab yourself an account on there. And once you log into your account, what you want to do is go to catalog, and you want to go to magnets and stickers right here. Just click on that, and now you can choose what type of material will be used for these stickers once somebody is going to order them. Now pretty much you can choose any of these, but what I highly recommend is go for this cheaper one. It's called Kiss Cut Vinyl Decals, because that way you have the highest chance of making the most amount of money with this. So pretty much just select that if you want to go with it, click on start designing right here, and now you need to upload your stickers one by one to Printify. And also what you want to do is go ahead and select different sizes that you want your stickers to be sold in. So pretty much you can get all these sizes, just make sure to tick all these boxes, and it's going to give you option to create this for different sizes. So what you want to do is just resize the sticker, so it's going to take up most of this space, just like that. Stretch it out a little bit more, position it something like this, and for this one just as well. This is too much, so I'm going to resize it down a little bit, and in the end it's going to look something like this. Pretty much once you're happy with this customization, you need to just save the product, and right here it's going to give you a bunch of these mockups already, but if you don't want to be using them, just use the one that you have created on Canva to promote this sticker pack. So just select one of these that you want to go with, and pretty much all you need to do is just scroll a little bit down. You can see there's going to be this description of all the material used, and if you want you can add the size table to the description as well, so that way whoever's going to be ordering these stickers has a better idea what the size is going to be once they're going to order them. Then all you need to do is just make sure that you're going to select margins that are higher than the actual price of the sticker to get created. So for that, you can see right here for these different sticker sizes, you get different costs. In this cost column, this is the actual price that it costs to create this sticker. So for example, this one at 3x4 size, it's going to cost $1.12 to make. So you want to charge for it more to actually make some profit on it. Now pretty much the profit margin is going to be set to 40% by default, but you can just go ahead and adjust it to more or less depending on how much you want to make on a single sticker. But you don't want to make them too expensive because that way you will get lesser sales on them. So pretty much leaving it at 40 is the optimal way that I'm recommending you go with, because just making 75 cents for this single sticker, if you're going to sell 100 of them, that's 0.75 cents per one sticker times 100. You will make $75 of pure profit just by creating this one sticker. Now pretty much once you set up your margins and prices for your stickers, what you want to do is actually create a store on Etsy using your Gmail account. Just go ahead and sign up for a store, and then you want to use this connect store button so that every sticker that you're going to create on Printify is going to be promoted on Etsy just like this, and that's how you're going to get customers. Somebody's going to see these stickers on Etsy, they are going to order it from you, but because you have set up these stickers to be printed on Printify, they're going to get printed and sent to the customer who's going to order them without you having to touch a single sticker. So pretty much what you want to do is create a couple of these stickers on Kittle, create some mockups just like this on Canva that I showed you how to do it with the laptop, then upload your stickers to Printify, connect them with your Etsy store, and what you can do is just go ahead and promote your Etsy store on different social media. That way you will get traffic, that way you will get customers, and the more of these stickers you sell, the more money you're going to make. Now this is not going to make you rich overnight, and it's not going to make you thousands of bucks from day one, but it's like a pretty easy side hustle that you can do for a couple of minutes every day. Just create a bunch of stickers, put them to your Printify products, list them on Etsy, and every time somebody's going to purchase these stickers, you will get paid. Now pretty much once your store is going to get viral and you get a couple thousand reviews or sales, you can see for example this guy got almost 8,000 reviews, just reviews on his product, and this one right here has almost 18,000. So this is something that actually works and other people are doing it too, and I'm not saying you will be the first one to do this or will have zero competition. All you can do is just go ahead and jump on this train while it's still running, use these AI tools to create stickers and make some money with them. Now if you enjoyed this method, just make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and if you want to check out my one-on-one coaching program, just go to the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. Now if you want to see some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.